man, a ton of songs need a capo. From Here Comes the Sun by the Beatles. Or Hotel California on the 2nd fret. So if you don't have a capo yet, get one. You're gonna need it. In this video, I'm gonna demo 20 smash hit songs and all their capo positions, and I've got links to my full lessons on each of them. It's gonna be really quick and easy, and we're just gonna show off how all these songs need a capo and they sound great. So hit like, hit subscribe, and let's go for it. So we've got the capo still on the 2nd fret, and we'll play Hey There Delilah by the Plain White T's. Got that really nice finger picking pattern going from the C major to the E minor. Staying on the 2nd fret, let's do Fast Car by Tracy Chapman. Recently covered by Luke Combs. C, G, E minor to D. Sounds beautiful. If I go up 1 fret, you've got Hey Jude by the Beatles. Hey Jude, D. Goes into that awesome beautiful walk down there from G to E minor. If I go up 2 frets, how about That'll Be the Day by Buddy Holly from 1957. Very cool that he used a capo all the way back then. Going down 2 frets to the 3rd, I'll put my pick down and try Fire and Rain by James Taylor. Beautiful, and let's go down 1 more to the 1st fret, and play Ramblin' Man by the Allman Brothers. Trying to make a living, doing the best I can. That's G to C to D right there. If I go all the way up to the 7th fret, how about Bob Dylan, Blowin' in the Wind? Cool. 4th fret, California Dreamin' by the Mamas and Papas in A minor. Very cool. And let's go 1 more fret up and play Landslide. You can play it in a couple different areas, but Landslide by Fleetwood Mac. And if I go down 1 more, how about the Killers, When You Were Young? So I've got a C major. Watch what happens when you move it down 1 right here. Keep that C major. Dream, 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 dream. All I have to do is Dream by the Everly Brothers. If I go down 2 more frets, how about Perfect by Ed Sheeran? E minor, very cool right there. Let's go to the 4th fret, and this sounds really cool, just like the record Small Town by John Cougar Mellencamp. Go down 1 more, and we'll do Fix You. Fix You by Coldplay. Lights Will Guide You Home. Now let's go to the 2nd fret. We did Hotel California earlier. It's in A minor. E7. Check check out the full lesson for the chorus right there. If I go up to the 4th, you get that ukulele kind of feel. I'm Yours by Jason Mraz. Very cool. Let's go down one more, Free Fallin'. This is a great one for a capo by Tom Petty. Again, up on the 6th fret or the 7th fret. It's a little tuned differently than the record, but Here Comes the Sun by the Beatles. Very nice right there. Let's go down to the 2nd fret in G major, Take Me Home, Country Roads. Let's stay on the 2nd fret for number 20, Can't Help Falling in Love by Elvis Presley. And that's 20, but I'll give you a bonus one. Everybody knows this song, Wonderwall by Oasis on the 2nd fret in E minor. So that's a list of 20 mega hits that all use a capo. Go get yourself one and let me know what you think about this video. Check out my lessons for all of them. I show you to play every one of these songs on my channel and I'd love to hear what you think. All right, catch you around the channel. See ya.